Hello dear children, welcome back to our maths class. Today I am going to discuss about the 5th chapter. Chapter name is Money. Each country has its own currency or money. They have different names. For example, America's dollar, England, pound, etc. Here in India, our currency is called rupees. The subunit of rupees is paise. The symbol of the rupees is rupees. The symbol of the paise is P. Okay, 1 rupee equals 100 paise. Coins 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Rupee note 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees and 2000 rupees. We can add, subtract, multiply and divide the money. Now let us see the addition of money. Addition of rupees. Example, 5,392 rupees and 50 paise and 2,315 rupees and 25 paise. The dot or point in an amount separates rupee from paise. The dot or point in an amount separates rupee from paise. Here 5,392 rupees and 50 paise. Second one, 2,315 rupees and 25 paise. We write the money in such a way that paise come below paise, rupees come below rupees and point below the point. Here in the first amount, 5,392 rupees and 50 paise. First we write 5,392 rupees. Here this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Next write paise, 50 paise. Here this is the ones place and tens place. Then second amount write just below the first amount. First we put the dot just below the first dot. Then write paise, 5 below the ones place and 2 below the tens place. Next write rupees below the rupees. 5 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place and 2 in the thousands place. Finally add the amount as we add numbers. First add paise. Add first ones place. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then put dot. Next add the rupees. First add ones place. Numbers are 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Then tens place. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 0 right here and 1 carried over. Next add hundreds place. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 carried over equals 7. Then last add the numbers in the thousands place. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So the answer is 7,707 rupees and 75 paise. Next topic is subtraction of rupees. The amounts are 5,395 rupees and 55 paise minus 2,315 rupees and 25 paise. We write the money in such a way that paise come below paise, rupees come below rupees, and point below the point. Okay. Okay, listen. First we write the first amount 5,395 rupees and 55 paise. This is the ones place. This is the tens place. Then ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Okay. Then write the second amount below the first amount. First we put the point. Then write the paise. Ones place write the 5. In the tens place write 2. Then write the rupees. First write 5 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place and 2 in the thousands place. Finally, subtract these numbers as we subtract numbers. Okay. Subtraction starts from the paise. First subtract the ones place. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Then tens place. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Then put the point. Then subtract the amounts in the rupees. First subtract the ones place. 5 minus 5 equals 0. In the next tens place, 9 minus 1 equals 8. Then hundreds place, 3 minus 3 equals 0. Then thousands place, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay. So the answer is rupees 3,080 and 30 paise. Okay, clear? Let's wind up our class. Everyone should practice well. Thank you.